and welcome back to Cooking with Erica. Today I am making taco dip. I make it with 2 cans of vegetarian refried beans. I already put one in there, so I'm going to add the second one. So I just take it out, mush it down. Whoop, that didn't sound so great. It's almost like you're playing with your food. So you just take it out of the can, mush it down, make a level layer. I also have 3 bricks of the lower fat cream cheese, and I got that warm. And that's going to be my next layer. So let's get the rest of that can out, and I'm going to show you what that layer looks like. Now there's many different ways to make taco dip. I've done it a few different ways. Usually I do chopped tomatoes as one of the layers, but today I'm going to use salsa. So I'll take the last little bit off over here. So now that it is mostly even, this is what my first layer looks like. My next layer is going to be 3 bricks of cream cheese that I warmed up. I warmed it in the toaster oven. You could take them out of the aluminum and you can microwave them in a bowl, microwave safe bowl. Usually it takes about a minute if you do them all at once. So you just mush them on down. Okay. And you're going to need all 3 bricks. Some people do use sour cream, but I've always used cream cheese, and I get really good reviews on cream cheese on my taco dip. So after I'm done and have all the ingredients in, I'm just going to keep it in the fridge until we're ready to go to the Super Bowl party that we're going to. And so it'll stay like that until we're ready to go. My last layer is going to be cheese. I use the Mexican blend cheese. So I bake my tray of taco dip at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes, just so the cheese is nice and melty, and it tastes really good with some corn chips or the Tostinos, the scoops. That's usually what we enjoy it with. So you have to just mush the cream cheese down. This usually takes a while. try to make it as even as possible, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so I got that in. Okay, mine's a little lopsided, but you get the point of it. Okay, now I'm gonna do my shredded lettuce. I used what I had. So mine's like spring mix. Just make a nice even layer. And then I'm gonna use some salsa. But you can feel free to use some diced up tomatoes. I had about half a jar of salsa left, and that was perfect to make a nice little layer. Okay. And my last layer is the cheese. And there you have it, taco dip. Bake at 350 degrees, 20 to 25 minutes. Thank you.